safest way to tint plexiglass. I don't recommend tinting plexiglass, but if you're going to do it, there's pretty much only one way to do it. You can't blade it, you can't steel wool it, you can't scrub it, otherwise you're just gonna scratch it. So you spray it, wipe it really good, spray it, squeegee it, stick your film. The issues, the tint's probably going to last longer than the plexiglass. If you can, just change out the window to a tempered window or something like that. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You're going to have those days where you just come across this plexiglass window, and what are you going to do? If you blade it, you're going to put a big old scratch in it. If you hit it with a square blade, you're not going to move the blade much. It's just going to kind of get stuck. So, and if you manage to move that blade, you're just scratching. So, yeah, scratch is real easy. You can tint it. I mean, helps a little bit. Putting the tint on there, if this breaks, the tint obviously will help a little bit. But yeah, easy spray, wipe, spray, squeegee, spray, install your film. Tips: when you're dealing with plexiglass, I recommend you use some extra soap, because you can't put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. You can't really slide it around like you would a normal window. It's kind of a one-shot deal. So once it's on there, you try and pull it off. It's probably going to leave a lot of glue. You try and steam it off, but getting that glue off, you're going to scratch the hell out of that plexiglass. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.